Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another airbrushing a small portrait. Now if you've ever seen Squidmar on YouTube, he is a miniature painter, so I thought today's video we're going to do a miniature painter's miniature portrait. So we're going to do Squidmar himself here on this credit card sized piece of paper. We've got a little bit of gesso on that. We're going to be using a harder steam back brush. It'd be cool to be using the Squidmar brush, but we've got the Graudes we're going to be using today. With a little change up, we've got the Evo 2024 trigger top on this, which works really nice on this brush. The reason why I'm using the Graudes is it's got a shorter front end, so it brings you closer to your work, which really helps when you're painting something small. I've got a 10p piece on the easel here, just sort of like to show you the sort of size we're going at. It's quite a small portrait of the person himself. So we will crack on. I'll stick you in a time lapse, give you a little talk for it at the end, and then we'll do a little zoom in and see how Squidmar turns out. See you in a minute. There you go guys, I hope you caught enough in that time lapse. So there you go, there's the portrait of Squidmar miniature. We've done that on a credit card sized piece of paper. Just built it up nice and slow. Air pressure I was running really low, around probably 4 or 5 psi, and just building it up. To get the little tiny little highlights in the eyes, just done a little scratch back technique with a very sharp scalpel head on the eyes. Little bit of erasing here and there. Job done, it's good to go. So I'll leave a link in the description to Squidmar's channel. If you are getting into your miniature painting, this is the channel to go over and have a look at, guys. Does some really cool work. So there you go, that's the portrait. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you are new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.